Every so often we come across an item that looks so much fun and looks a bit quirky that you just simply have to take a look for yourself. And so on the Banggood website, I spotted this retro looking Docooler JIES? Is that how you pronounce it? Well, Downton say JIES microphone. It is described as being an omnidirectional microphone upon the Banggood website with a 360-degree pickup. Retailing at £11 at the time of this upload. That's around 12 in US dollars. Outside the box, everything is pretty much basic. Just a simple mic image to the front. And check this out, guys. Play your ultimate... it says ultimate singing. Guys, you can clearly see where your money has gone when they can't even be bothered to leave a space between the words. So it's play your ultimate singing ability, whatever that means. It is a bit rattly. I hope it's gonna be intact when I open it up, and let's get to it. So, no padding inside, obviously. And, well, the microphone, it's super light. So we've got no instructions, just a flimsy warranty. Well, yeah, the mic, basically, it's based upon an old style retro design. And it does have a bit of a toy look about it, to be honest. This microphone does come with a matching gloss black stand. It has a 180-degree vertical positionable head. As you can see, there's that JIES logo on the microphone's face. And behind the grill, you can just make out the inner foam dustproof sound filter. It would be very interesting to see if this microphone does indeed stop those BP and T letters popping. I very much doubt it. At the bottom of the microphone stand, you can see there's a nice looking red power button. So yes, that's the on-off switch. You do get a lengthy 1.8 meters USB cable. Now you can get this particular microphone in a USB version or a 3.5mm pin end cabled version. Both models do indeed have a built-in sound chip to the base, so no, there shouldn't be any need for any phantom power supply. It should automatically be recognised by your PC or laptop and automatically set up. Let's test it out, continuing this section of this review using the mic itself. So I'm around 60 centimeters away from the microphone. This is the preferred distance. And let's start with a few sentences. The two blue fish swam in the tank. Well, that means her purse was full of useless trash. The two blue fish swam in the tank. Her purse was full of useless trash. Perfect phrases for microphone testing, apparently. Let's test the B, P and T letters out. B, B, B. P, 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 P. T, 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 T. P, P, P. B, B, B. P, 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 P. Press the pants and sew the button on the rest. Whoever comes up with these mic phrases needs sacking. Yeah, not bad actually. Not bad distortion from 60 centimeters away. If you do want to get closer, maybe 45 centimeters away from the mic, let's test it out. Two blue fish swam in the tank. Let's test those pop letters again. B, B. P, 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 P. T, T, T. T, T, T. T, 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 T. Turkish delight. I hate that stuff actually. Too powdery. I'll get all over your clothes. So yeah, anything closer you certainly do get some distortion. See? Just 60 centimeters diameter. So, it's certainly not to be placed up close. And now because this microphone is indeed an omnidirectional microphone, it will pick up audio in all directions. Just like so. So I'm behind the mic just now. You will hear my voice, hopefully at the same audio recording level. Hello guys! And to the right of the microphone, hello guys! And to the left, hello guys! If you've got earphones on or headphones on just now, you may notice that you will not get any surround sound. So the voice gain is actually all equal. The audio pickup does have hi-fi quality sound. And yes, this definitely isn't a particular microphone that you would use for ASMR and all that weird stuff. I don't know. Listen, I listen to it to go to sleep. Ting ting, wicked, check it out. And she's kind of pretty too. So yes, one last thing, laptop is around about 2 meters away, so my laptop is social distancing itself away from the mic. The laptop is red hot right now, the fan is on. Can you hear that? No, not that! dirty pig. I mean the laptop.
No? Great! So yeah, that's the microphone test. So,
And well, overall, this microphone is basically just a gimmick that I think would be great for any type of kid, teen maybe a novelty microphone for a PC, or doing a bit of FaceTime, or better still, an ornament that, you know, could be great to just leave at the side of your smart TV. Gogetyours review channel. So to use it for voice command prompts. News today. To use Google or to use YouTube. You don't really want to be using this microphone for anything professional, nor to be seen using it on any startup YouTube channel. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Don't get me wrong, this Docooler JIES mic has its uses, but it's not to be taken seriously. And if I was to rate this microphone out of my usual rating out of 10 today, then today I think I'm gonna give this, I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 10. I'm gonna be generous. I'm being charitable in fact. Because, after all, if you buy this, you should know that it is indeed a gimmick, and it's just for simple voice pickup only. It actually wasn't too bad, but unfortunately, this microphone certainly won't make it to any best budget microphone playlist. Anyway guys, I will leave a link in the video description down below where you can go ahead and check this microphone out for yourself. Could be fun for you, good little present for your kids. So yes, check it out, and if you like what you see, well, go get yours. While you're there guys, I'd very much appreciate it if you do smash that like button. Go ahead and subscribe, please. And yes, make sure that you hit that bell notification option so you guys will stay updated on all my new uploads. I will hope to see you on my next review coming very, very soon, so yes, stay tuned for that. And well, thanks for watching. Peace!